In life, we all face challenges and hardships, but sometimes these problems feels overwhelming and we don't know where to turn to. But we need to remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always there, ready to listen to what we have for Him. When you check the Quran in Surah chapter 40, the verse number 60, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Udu'uni astajib lakum, that call upon me and I'm going to respond to you. And this is a powerful promise from our Creator. So when you feel lost, when you feel burdened, when you are depressed, you just have to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and then pour out all your depression, all your sadness out onto Him. Because talking to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very important. And the reason is that talking to Him is not just about asking for help, it is about building a relationship with your Lord, as well as finding solace in His words and also getting comfort in His presence. So when you talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are never alone. And remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is al-Wadud, which means the most loving. And so He knows what is in our hearts and He understands all our pain. So what we have to do is that we have to trust His wisdom and His timing, because every hardship that we face is actually a test. And with every test, there is always a reward at the end. Which is why in the Quran, in Surah chapter 94, the verse number 6, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Innama al-usri yusra, that indeed after every hardship, there is ease. And also the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a famous hadith said that the supplication of every one of you will be granted, provided that you are not impatient. And so, dear brothers and sisters in Iman, no matter what we are going through, we need to talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because He's always listening and He's always there to listen to what we have for Him, and He will never abandon us. So I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant you ease and also loosen all the burdens that is on you and myself, and also grant us peace in our minds and in our soul. This brings us to the end of today's video on Believe in Allah series. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to leave a like to the video, share, and also subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content under this particular playlist. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.